Hey, it's Lucas. It's the Delta 14, but it's the convertible. It will cut wood or metal. We're going to spin it around and take a look at the gearbox in the back. Right now it's set up to cut wood. It's got a wood cutting blade in it. It's got ceramic blocks for the blade guide and ball bearings in the back to stop the blade from pushing back when it's under load when you're cutting. It's got a blade tensioning system and a tracking on the upper hub. Everything's good on it. Works great. It's got this the blade guard here that keeps you away from the moving blade on this side. The blade length is 7 foot 9.5 inches. It's right in the guard here. The guards all lock up nicely. It's on an original factory stand with an on-off switch. It's not a relay, it's just on-off. And we're going to unplug the lights now, spin it around, and take a look at the back side here. Actually, that's one light and the power cable for the saw itself. Okay, so here it's in the wood cutting mode. We're going to cut it off and put it in the metal cutting mode. And if we look, we can see how fast this the knob is turning. Actually, the shift knob is turning at the same speed as the pulley. I don't have a piece of well, I don't have a saw blade for the metal right now, and if I use this wood cutting blade on metal, it would destroy it. So we're going to put it in the metal cutting mode, but it can really only show the speed reduction. So now it's in metal cutting mode, and now we see that we're at a much slower speed here on this. On the shift knob, and in fact that is the speed of the drive pulley now for the metal cutting blade. I'm going to just cut a piece of wood with it in the metal cutting speed. Show how slow it is. It's really quite slow. We'll shut it off. And that is the speed that you want to use for metal cutting, because blade life will be much extended. You don't want to run it at the higher surface feet per minute, or you'll destroy the blade. Even a metal cutting blade at high speed would have a problem. Now this blade, even a wood cutting blade at high speed, can be used to cut aluminum, provided it's not too thick. So anyway, let's get back to it. We're going to put it back in the wood cutting mode and then show it cutting this piece of plywood. It's roughly 1/2 inch thick. Cutting speed, much higher speed. Same piece of 1/2 inch plywood. That's fast. The line with great finish on it. Nice, not a lot of burr. Really nice saw. 14-inch wood and metal cutting bandsaw by Delta. Hey, this is Lucas, signing off.